when I was 16. I was completely in love with this guy. He played guitar, and I ran away from home and went to San Francisco so I could go live with him. Yeah, he convinced me I had a beautiful voice, and I dreamed of becoming a singer.
I love San Francisco.
Yeah, he was my first love. Probably the only one.
He must have been a great guy.
I don't know. He may have been. It didn't last long enough for me to find out. Yeah. Truth is, I can't even remember what he looked like.
Really?
Yeah.
It's too bad.
My dad showed up, actually.
Oh,
Yeah, he came in. I was in trouble. He yanked me back to Chicago. Yeah. He was sick, and he had these dreams of me becoming a doctor. Yeah. You know, and eventually they became my dreams too. And he was right. Yeah, I feel good helping people. Then he died.